says are going to produce.
Na muungano wa makanisa humu nchini umefanya kikao na waandishi wa habari leo hii kupinga vikali na kukashifu mjadala mzima wa ndoa za jinsia moja maarufu kama LGBTQ. Wakizungumza hapa Nairobi, viongozi hao wa kidini wamekosoa mahakama pia kwa kuruhusu watu wa jinsia hiyo kusajiliwa, wakisema kwamba watapinga vikali swala hilo la LGBTQ kwani haliruhusiwi kisheria.
We as the leaders and the custodians of the nation moral conscience won't keep quiet again when our moral fabric and anchor of our faith are being destroyed by underhands and foreign forces. This is a pure case of foreign practice being imported and imposed into our system to benefit few individuals.
We will not allow church altars to be used by the crusaders of LGBTQ. We want to be on record that we are opposed to those practices and sex trade. We appeal to the elected leaders to join the church to saying no. Our legislatures must defend the Constitution. The judiciary must factor in the spirit of our laws and culture and not purely on the letters and inducement of foreign pressures. We, the church umbrella bodies, supports strongly Her Excellency Pastor Dorcas Rigadi on her strong stand on the morality of the nation, defender of the plight of the vulnerable, and her open and stand against LGBTQ.
Na viongozi wa chama cha PA wamepinga kauli